What up, gang? I'm back with another video. Just a walkthrough / transformation video. My boy came in and he said he wanted to switch it up. So we cut the locks off. We used our shears just to cut the locks. And we also used a 5 guard on the top all the way just to get that even consistency. He said he didn't want it all the way low, but he didn't want it too high, so we used our curling rack just to give it that appearance, that nappy boy curly look appearance. And now we're just going back over the loose hairs on the edge just to make sure every hair follicle is trimmed to perfection. The next step, we're just going to go back over our front lining and just making sure that any loose hairs that was left out are tackled now, okay? This is really the Hollywood finish right before he gets out the chair. We're just making sure everything is just hidden right now. We got to make sure everything is hidden, okay? And everything looks good. We have a thin / we're really like a medium mustache just to go with his mouth, and he wanted the triangle goatee. I'm also using my Babyliss shavers for the blurry effect, for that taper. So the final step before I let my client out the chair, I'll go ahead and tackle his facial hair. The request that the Mutate God wanted today, he wanted the triangle goatee, so he wanted the fresh face, no sideburns, just real fresh face, and the triangle goatee. So that was his request, and that's what he got. So if you found this content valuable, go ahead and subscribe to your boy. I will be dropping content every week. And yeah, I'm out. If you're in the Fayetteville area, if you're in the North Carolina area, you want a good service, go ahead and pull up on your boy, make an appointment, and I'm out.
Hello, do you need a haircut?